These incredible machines are not a figment of the inventor's imagination, but already a reality. If you are thinking of starting a business, here are some ideas for you. This machine breaks eggs and does it quite well. There is an option of separating the yolks from the whites to sell them separately. Liquid whites are especially loved by athletes, who are more comfortable buying them to gain muscle mass. Culinary shops, restaurants, and cafes also need yolks and whites. Also, this machine cannot separate the whites from the yolks. Great machine for if you want to get into the egg business. The wire and rebar bending machine can be useful in the construction industry for the manufacture of rebar cages and other structures where precision and manufacturing quality are required. It can also be used in the manufacture of various wire goods, such as hangers. This machine can bend wire and rebar of various diameters and shapes, and ensure repeatable bends. If you need accuracy and speed when working with steel structures, a wire and rebar bending machine can be an excellent choice. The fruit net making machine is a useful tool for those in the fruit industry. It can quickly and efficiently create nets for holding and transporting fruit, such as oranges or apples. This machine can work with a variety of materials, including plastic or nylon, and can produce nets in a range of sizes. With automation, this machine can increase production speed and reduce labor costs. If you're looking for a way to streamline your fruit packaging process, the fruit net making machine is definitely worth considering. The 3D fiber laser tube cutting machine is an innovative machine that has revolutionized the metalworking industry. This machine can cut through different types of metal tubes with high precision and accuracy. The machine uses a 3D laser scanner to scan the tube's surface and create a 3D model of the tube, which is then used to guide the cutting process. The machine can cut complex shapes and patterns, making it ideal for creating metal components for various industries. The high precision and accuracy of the machine ensure that the components produced are of high quality and meet the required specifications. So check this out, we've got these photovoltaic tiles. Basically, they look like regular clay tiles, but they've got modern technology inside that lets you get electricity from the sun. It's called photovoltaic, which is just a fancy way of saying you're using solar cells or panels to get power. And the best part? These tiles still look great. So if you want a useful product with some awesome features, you know what to get. The automatic PET bottle blowing machine is a useful tool for those in the beverage industry. It can quickly and efficiently create PET bottles for holding liquids such as water, soda, and juice. This machine can work with a variety of bottle shapes and sizes, and can produce bottles at a high speed. With automation, this machine can increase production speed and reduce labor costs. It also ensures consistency in the quality of the bottles produced. If you're looking for a way to streamline your bottle manufacturing process, the automatic PET bottle blowing machine is definitely worth considering. The radial braiding machine for carbon fiber is a useful tool for those in the manufacturing industry, particularly in the aerospace and automotive sectors. This machine can braid carbon fibers into a range of shapes and sizes, such as tubes, rods, and flat tapes. By using multiple spools of carbon fiber thread, the machine can create braids that are strong and durable, making them ideal for use in high-stress applications. With automation, this machine can increase production speed and reduce labor costs. The automatic carpet cleaning machine is a useful tool for those in the cleaning industry, particularly for cleaning carpets in homes, offices, and other commercial spaces. This machine can quickly and efficiently clean carpets using a combination of water, cleaning solution, and suction. With automation, this machine can increase cleaning speed and reduce labor costs. It also ensures consistency in the quality of the cleaning, making it ideal for those who need to clean large areas regularly. If you're looking for a way to streamline your carpet cleaning process, the automatic carpet cleaning machine is definitely worth considering. The laser graffiti removal machine is a useful tool for those in the graffiti removal industry. It can quickly and efficiently remove graffiti from various surfaces, including walls, bridges, and other structures. The machine uses a laser to heat the surface of the material, which causes the graffiti to vaporize. This process is environmentally friendly, as it does not involve the use of chemicals or other harmful substances. It also ensures consistency in the quality of the cleaning, making it ideal for those who need to clean large areas regularly.